I can remember every moment pulling up to the house and just seeing everything and hearing the helicopters and the dogs, and it's an experience that you can't even put into words. It's very heartbreaking.
7-year-old Kyron Horman went missing on June 4th, 2010. Desiree Young says this time of year, from spring break to June, is incredibly difficult. The memories are very raw, very real.
I think it's even harder than the holidays, just because it's Mother's Day, it's my birthday, it's the missing day, it's everything.
Over the last 5 years, there have been searches and legal battles, a restraining order, a divorce, a civil suit against Kyron's stepmother, Terry Moulton Horman, and then just last year, 2 attempts by Moulton Horman to change her name. Both were dropped. Desiree says she knows, without a doubt, Moulton Horman is the one to blame for Kyron's disappearance.